Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make flaxseed gel from scratch. Flaxseed can be used for so many things. It could be used as a defining gel, a curl keeper, a hair mask, edge control, and detangler. For me, I'm using it as a pre-poo. It enhances hair growth, prevents premature graying, seals split ends. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin E. And to make a flaxseed gel, all you need is flaxseed and a boiling water. Except you're like me who is extra, I learned that I could get even more benefits if I added black seeds. So I decided to go ahead and add black seeds. Black seed is packed with antioxidants. It contains a compound called thymoquinone, which helps reduce shedding. It protects hair from damage, and at the same time it promotes healthy hair growth. You see why I did a combination of both. One thing is for sure, our hair is always going to grow, but sometimes it does not seem like it for some of us because we've not mastered the art of length retention, which can only happen in the absence of breakage. I wish I started using flaxseed gel in my routine earlier on in my journey. My hair wouldn't be breaking as it is now. The slip it gives is perfect for detangling. It makes the whole process seamless. If you have a natural hair, this will help save you the trouble of strenuous detangling, and because of its slip, you'll be able to retain length. Let me also add that when you're making flaxseed gel, after boiling it in water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you see that it has started like drawing, is that the word? Then you want to put it down, and you try as much as possible to strain it immediately, because if you don't strain it immediately, it will get too thick and you won't even be able to strain it at all. However, you have to be very careful to not burn yourself in the process like I did, because I got burnt because I wanted to like sieve the gel as much as I could get out of the seeds. So yeah, you need to be very, very careful. So when you have that, all you want to do is make your hair wet, a little wet, and then go ahead and apply the flaxseed gel evenly. Distribute it evenly in your hair. Be very careful. As much as it has slip, you also want to be careful with this part. You don't want to be, in general, you don't want to be rough with your hair. So you want to be very, very gentle with this process. Take your time, and after like detangling with your fingers, then I want to go ahead and detangle with a comb if you must. But yeah, I was just being extra, but you don't necessarily have to go in with a comb. Just have it distributed evenly. Let it sit in your hair. I allowed it to sit in my hair for about 1 hour, and then I went on to wash it off my hair, and my hair was so clean, so neat, so soft, shiny, and easy to comb through. So I can't emphasize the benefits of flax seeds enough. My hair is currently suffering. As a matter of fact, I think I might have to like give it the big chop. But yeah, like I said, I wish I started like using flaxseed on my hair earlier than now. But yeah, I'm happy I found it, and I'm happy I'm able to share it with you guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment if you've tried using flaxseed gel on your hair, if it's part of your routine. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys a little like Jack. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Bye guys.